I would like to introduce HyEIT, a reconstruction software for hybrid inverse problems related to electrical impedance tomography. This talk is a contribution for Inverse Days 2020. In hybrid inverse problems related with electrical impedance tomography, we start with measurement of the current density data, in this case in equation 1, with power P, where P equal 1 for current density impedance imaging, or 2 for ultrasonic modulated electrical impedance tomography. The governing equation of the electrical fields is given in equation 2, which is an elliptic PDE in divergence form. If we substitute the power function measurement to the governing equation, we arrive to equation 3, which is a nonlinear PDE for electrical fields. In this talk, we restrict the boundary value only of the form of Dirichlet data. The governing equation for electrical field, to solve it, in this case, we are using mixed finite element method, where the governing equation split into a system of first order. In this case, we introduce P, which is in electrical field is a current. We are using mixed finite element method implementation in Darcy Light, which is a MATLAB suite for solving Darcy equation. To solve the problem, the nonlinear PDE, we sought to Picard iteration, which is basically the two-step within the loop, where within the loop we are solving repetitively the governing equation using mixed finite element formulation. By using the mixed finite element formulation, we are easily update the conductivity from power density measurement. The Picard iteration here test using the case for current density impedance imaging with test case taken from Tricky and Yin, which is a Dirichlet problem with piecewise constant conductivity with exact solution. The current density data is given in the middle, and within 2 iterations, the Picard iteration arrive to the solution. At least there are 4 immediate work from this software, which is will be reported later. I would like to thank for my collaborators working for the project of Riset Kolaborasi Indonesia.